Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day one of our manual testing full course series. In this video, we will understand what is software testing, why it's required, and what is the software quality, why we need testing, why the software has bug, and we will understand error, bug, failure, and we will understand little bit about the software because the testing mostly we will perform on the software platform. Okay, so in this case, what is software testing? So the software testing is a process of checking whether the software application is working correctly according to the customer requirement. In simple word, testing means verify that the application behave as expected. Okay. In and after that we will learn why it's required. So the software testing is required to ensure the application is reliable, secure and user friendly. Okay. Like application may crash, payment may fails, data may be lost, customer may face bad experience. So testing help companies deliver high quality software to the customer. Okay. Then the third one we will learn what is the software quality. Okay. So the software quality, like the software quality means how well software applications satisfy customer requirement and expectation. High quality software should be work correctly to user. It's very easy to use, be secure, perform fast, be free from major bugs. Means the bug should be not there in the application that should impact to the user to the business flow. Okay, so this type of major bug should not impact the application. Quality is not only about finding bugs, it's also about customer satisfaction. If customer satisfies all requirement we have covered during the testing and development, so it means we deliver a good product. And why we need software testing, why the testing is required. Okay, so testing is required. We need testing because no software is perfect. Testing helps to find defect early, improve software quality, reduce business risks, save development cost and increase customer trust. Finding bugs after release, it's very losses to the company. Like during the testing, if we missed a major bug, that the bug is impacted to the customer environment and the bug is impact to the business workflow. So during the fixes, that bug will be cost and losses to the companies. So that's why the testing is very important in every software project. And the last question is why the software has a bug. Means we develop most of the project, most of the application. So why the software has bug? So like the software has bug, there is many chances due to human mistake during coding. Okay, and incorrect requirement, miscommunication between the teams. Means the tester is not communicated with the developer is not communicated with the PM, project manager or client. Maybe there's some mismatch. Second thing, complex application logic. The application has complex logics. Okay, and lack of proper testing means the tester does not have a proper knowledge to test the application. So in this case, the bug mostly it's missed from the team. And time pressure during the development, like any releases, any feature is come to us to development team, there is a very work pressure to development. Okay, so this is a very necessary things we need to think about during development, during testing, so that the product should be bug free. Okay, and the bug should not impact our business cases and to the user. Then after that we will learn about error, bug and failure. Okay, so error is a human mistake made by developer, tester or analyst. Means a developer write incorrect code, so it's a error because it's a human error. So during the development, during the coding, might or maybe developer has missed something. Okay, so this is a human error. About from bug and defect, A bug or defect is a problem in the software caused by an error. Example, the login button does not work because of the incorrect code. Okay, so this is a defect, or we can call it as a bug. Failure means what? Failure means like, see, most of the user or most of the people have the bank account. Okay, when you visit to the bank, there you printing your passbook. Okay, you insert your passbook in a machine. You mention the date from, like, in May month, from day 1 to day 30 you need to print. During the print, suddenly the application is not working. Okay, so it means a failure happen when the application does not perform the expected result during the execution. Means the execution is happening because the machine is printing the passbook, but suddenly the application does not perform well. So it's a failure. Okay, so this mistake is happened during the testing. Okay, so it does not mean, but while during the testing we will focus. It's a very easy concept, and we will maintain the all step by step things so that we can understand how we will perform the software testing and how we can deliver the good quality project to the customer. Okay, so in this case I have just a question like, see, we will perform the software testing, right, on the software platform. So I have question like, what is a software? Software is nothing but, the software is a collection of program, like instruction and data, that tell a computer what to do. Okay, so this is a set of instruction, we can say that in a easy form. Okay, software help user perform specific task on computer or mobile devices. Without software, hardware cannot work properly. Example of the software like WhatsApp, we most of the person using a WhatsApp, I think 90%, 90 plus. YouTube, Google Chrome, Microsoft Word, Instagram, a banking application. These are softwares. Okay. Types of the software like system software, application software, utility software. Okay. So the system software. The system software help the computer hardware function properly and provide a platform for the other software to run, like Windows operating system, Linux, Android operating system. We are using Android mobile. Most of people is using Android, iOS, Apple phone having iOS. Okay, so these are application software. Then the application software is designed for the user to perform a specific task like calculator, MX Excel, Facebook, Amazon app, Spotify. Okay, and the utility software is an antivirus, disk cleanup, backup tools. This is a utility software. Okay, and we are using most of the tools for that, for coding, but there are different type of programming software. We can say that part we will learn in automation. Okay, so once we will cover the all depth knowledge about the software testing, then we will step by step go to the automation testing. Okay, so I will show you the example how the manual thing try to, like a bank, there is all transaction, everything is performed on a paper, like a book. We can say that a register. Every entry is written by hand manually. Okay. In this case, we will see how the bank thing transits all the transaction, decide to everything by automatically. So the bank will be contact to the IT team or the IT company. Okay, I'll create a one simple step use case diagram and the life cycle. So guys, I'm going to create a simple use case diagram that you can understand how the manual things, the all transaction of the bank will perform through the software. Okay, so in this case we will create a simple diagram. Okay, so this is a SBI Bank. I'm taking as an example. Okay, So the SBI Bank will all SBI Bank prior the all transaction is happening manually using the pen and paper. Bank is decided to contact with the IT team. They want to create an application that end user means the customer can use and the perform all tasks easily and maintain the track record. Okay, so in this case SBI Bank will contact to IT company. Okay, so they contact to IT company. After that IT company understand the all requirement of the SBI Bank. Okay, every requirement is understand from the IT company of SBI Bank. Then they are planning to development for the application. Okay, so the IT company is planning to development. Then after development they will release a feature to testing team. So the testing team will test the feature. Okay, so this is happening in not in a production environment. This is happening to QA environment. The development is happening, testing is happening. Okay, once testing is complete, all the requirement is completed, application is completed, we will deliver application. Okay, to bank. So then the bank will start, all customer will start to use, okay, the feature. All customer will start to use this feature. Okay, so this is a simple diagram which we have created for the understanding purpose. So in this case, once the all setup is complete, application is done, testing is done, then they will move this application to the production environment so that all customer can use the feature. Okay, during the development testing we have some major point to be cover, to be understand. We will work accordingly. So this point is very specific. Okay, I will explain all process very easily entirely. So during the development testing we will ensure and cover the all points, which is the software quality. Okay, software quality by what we will understood in this case: bug free. We will deliver the project without bug free. If there is any bug, means should be in a low priority, low severity, means does not impact any business use case and does not impact any customer in production. Okay, so we will try to deliver the 90 plus quality to bank. 1 or 2% bug maybe, but it would be very minor, so should not impact anything in bank application. Okay, the second thing, is delivered on time. Okay, so see, when we will development the feature we will deliver within a time. Okay, budget and time of the project within time as per the customer requirement. Means if any feature we have already decided, we will deliver on 12th May. So we must be delivered the feature to the on 12th May. Okay. Third thing is meet requirement and expectation. As per the client requirement, we should fulfill requirement of the customer. It should be user friendly, easy understandable to the customer. Okay. And the for last thing is the man maintainability, or we can say that maintainable. Means every work understand the user. If anyone is using, they should understand the entire things in a very easy way. Okay, so this is a whole structure which I have explained to you. I hope you have understood the all things. For in this session we have a very last point is project and product. So what difference between project and product? Okay, so project is if software application is developed for a specific customer based on the requirement, this is called project. If software application is developed, if software application is developed for multiple customer based on the market trend, on the market requirement, then it's called product. Example: WhatsApp, Microsoft Excel, Google, Microsoft features, Windows. Okay, so this is a product. Project is like software only developed for the specific customer, for a personal use or for a few customer. Okay, but product will analyze the market and they will develop for a multiple customer based on the market. Okay, so this is the difference of project and product. So in this video we will understand what is a software testing, why it's required, what is a software quality, why we need testing, what is the software has bug, why the software has bug, error, bug, failure, what is the software. We understand bank flow from manual to the application. We understood the software quality and we understood project and product. I hope now you understand. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you have any doubt or if you have any suggestion. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next session.